or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm starting a new series which is of brain tickling questions in which I'll be posting some of the most important brain tickling questions which will help you enhance your competency level. So, let's get into the very first question that we have from the series. It's from Mathematics Grade 10 Polynomials ka concept. So, you can pause the video and you can try solving the question on your own. Right, you can pause it over here. I'll be moving ahead with the solution. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, which is given over here, then beta is equal to which of the following four options? So we'll be moving ahead with the solution. You can pause the video and try solving it on your own. I'll be dropping the solution over here. So the equation that we had was 2x and in bracket we have 2x plus 1, which is equal to 1. So you'll be opening the brackets. It will become 4x square plus 2x, and this 1 which is over there in the RHS we'll be bringing it towards the LHS. So this plus 1 will become minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we know that alpha and beta are the two zeros of this polynomial. So what we'll be doing is alpha and beta, those zeros has polynomial ke, so we will be replacing x in the polynomial with alpha. Why? Because it's a zero of this particular polynomial or equation basically, क्योंकि इसमें equal to sign आ रहा है, so this is an equation, right? So what we'll be doing is we'll be replacing the x with alpha, because alpha is the zero of this equation. तो मतलब ये equation की value क्या बना देगा? Zero बना देगा. So alpha will satisfy this equation. So we'll be writing it as 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we'll be taking the help of our concept from polynomials. We know that the sum of the zeros of the polynomial is always equal to minus b upon a. So if we substitute b and a from the equation, we will be getting alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 upon 4, which is equal to minus 1 upon 2. And if we multiply the 2 with alpha plus beta, which is there on the LHS, we'll be getting 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to minus 1. This is an important conclusion that we have reached. We'll be using this value of minus 1 and we'll be substituting minus 1 with 2 alpha plus 2 beta over here. So it will become 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha, and minus 1 will become 2 alpha plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to what? 0. Now if we calculate this, 2 alpha plus 2 alpha will become 4 alpha and if we divide the equation with 4, we'll be getting we'll not be dividing it with 4, we'll be dividing it with 2. So if we divide this equation with 2, we'll be getting 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus beta, which is equal to 0. So I'll be remembering this particular because I'll have to erase the entire screen. We have 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus beta, which is equal to 0. Now we know we want to find out the value of beta. So we'll be bringing these two over here towards the RHS. So it will become beta is equal to minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha. Minus 2 is common, we'll be taking it out. Alpha is also common, we'll be taking this out as well. And in the bracket, we'll be left with alpha plus 1. So this is our final option. Let's see if we have this particular in our MCQs as well. Yes, the very first option is the correct one. So I hope everyone have understood how to solve this particular question. It was actually easy. We just had to apply the previous knowledge that we had, but just in a sense which was a little bit molded. So such kind of questions are more in store for you. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so you get the notifications whenever I post a new video, because many more such videos are gonna come. Make sure you like the video and share with your friends. if you want them to succeed in their competency skills as well. Thank you so much and keep watching.